مرحبا وأهلا وسهلا فيكم. Hello and welcome. I help students like you speak Arabic and not just learn about it. My mission is to help you get speaking Arabic and overcome all the obstacles and difficulties that are between you and fluency. Before we start, why don't you visit the link down below to get your free copy of the Levantine Lebanese Spoken Arabic Conversation and Phrase Book, free of charge. Check the link down below. Yalla, let's begin. Marhaba, hello and welcome. I'm here to walk you through what it's like to be a member in one of my programs. So let's say you've decided to learn spoken Arabic, the Lebanese Arabic or Colloquial Arabic, and you've signed up for Learn Spoken Arabic, the ultimate 80 lesson course. So what happens is, thankfully, because we now have technology, I've recorded the lessons. So from the beginning, you've got over 80 steps here, everything you need to know to learn Lebanese or spoken Arabic. You watch the lessons, you do any quizzes on the screen or through the video lessons. And then you head to Telegram on your phone. You would have downloaded the Telegram app and you get access. When you purchase this course, you actually get 3 months of bonus of free access to the inner circle, which means you get to chat with me every day. And I'm on the chat throughout the day, answering questions, sending speaking exercises and prompts to help you catch up with your speaking skills. So it's not enough for you to just passively learn and put those earphones in your head. You have to go and practice what you're learning. So if you want to get the most out of the program, it's about speaking and communication. It's built to help you learn. So what you will get is all the PDF files and resources, around 50 something or 60 eBooks. That's a lot of value. And you'll get 3 months access to the chat service, which is daily, where every day we get to speak about different things like what have we done during the day, our plans, hobbies, maybe about football. Let's say nowadays it's a thing, sports, anything like that, just to get you talking in a practical and natural way. And this is actually what learning a language is about. In addition, there are weekly Zoom lessons, group lessons for participants. So what will happen is, let's say tomorrow I've got a session and that's about health and about being at the doctor. So you will head here to the platform, to your program. You would watch the lesson as instructed and download the PDF file, go through the file maybe again if you have already studied it. And then what we will do in the session is only practice conversation and speaking. So we're not going to waste time on me just sitting and lecturing you. This is what needs to be said, la la la. No, it's actually going to be role playing, pure conversation, and getting you to talk. And I'll be taking down notes and sending you those notes after the meeting is finished. So that's a really good and effective way of practicing speaking. So you purchase the program, you get all the resources that you need, which is a lot of value, all the PDFs, and you get access obviously to the quizzes and anything, all the video lessons. Plus you get access to 3 months of the inner circle, which is on its own a £29 per month subscription fee. So you're getting £87 literally bonus value. You're paying 89 for the program, but you're getting 3 months free. So the difference only maybe is £2, but also you're getting the PDFs, all the eBooks that you need to learn, and you're getting the weekly Zoom lessons. So I advise you, if let's say you're a beginner or even an intermediate learner and you've got holes in your learning, it's always better if you purchase the course, because it comes with all the resources, lessons that you can go back and watch, and it teaches you pronunciation from the beginning. So we don't just head to grammar and conversational modules in the beginning. There's a lot that has to do about phonics and about sounds and how to pronounce like a native Lebanese. So before just diving into conversation, there is pronunciation that you need to understand. What are the sounds, the vowels in Lebanese language, and a lot of basic vocabulary that you need to cover and basic syntax that you need to cover before you can actually head to the next section, which is the modules that go into conversation. So this is a very comprehensive and quality program that you will find lots of value in. And then we chat and we practice speaking in the Telegram group and in the Zoom lessons. And obviously, you get as well additional bonus programs when you sign up for this program, such as food and drink, such as access to short stories, which is helpful with vocabulary, and in addition to the food and drink course, and reading comprehension as well, which is essential. So you're growing your vocabulary base through storytelling, through reading comprehension, and mainly the most important thing is that you're learning every day. We use WhatsApp or Telegram or other chat services, or even Facebook, to talk to people that we normally socialize with, or even strangers in daily life. Why not use this to learn another language and to improve your Arabic skills? It's natural, it's fun, and believe me, it's effective. And I've actually done an action research on it, and the results were like 100% proven to show that the participants did enjoy it and participants did benefit from the participation on Telegram. If you have any doubts, any questions whatsoever, make sure that you book an inquiry call, and we can always catch up and speak about your needs and your goals and any questions that you may have. And just to let you know, I'm still adding additional bonus courses. So as I make more courses, because I love making content and value to my learners, there will always be extra things that I'm adding and always enhancing the program. So you'll get lots of value, definitely. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to book a call. I'm always happy to answer your questions and just speak to you and get to know you and how I can help you better. My goal is to get you speaking, and my goal is happy and satisfied students no matter what. So 100% money back guarantee if you're not happy for any reason. My goal is your satisfaction, and my goal is that you indeed learn and speak Arabic. That's the main thing. So any questions? Don't hesitate to let me know. Thank you.